the English breakfast. Mamma mia! Ciao, bonjour, chef Paolo. Good morning, guys. You know, I need to tell you something I never tell you. I'm a breakfast lover, okay? But I'm Italian. We Italian people, our breakfast, it's always super fast, croissant, cappuccino. We're always in a rush, you know. Then I discovered since I was young, first time I've been to England, the English breakfast. Mamma mia. So full of food, early in the morning, so delicious. And from back in that day, I started to treat myself better. Today we're gonna focus on authentic, traditional English breakfast, of course, with an Italian touch of chef Paolo. Let's see the ingredients, guys. 2 eggs, bacon, 1 fresh tomato, my homemade sausages, 1 spicy and 1 simple, beans, 2 onion, toast bread, and a touch of extra virgin olive oil. Let's go! First thing first, we prepare our sausages. Before we put on the fire, we make some hole with our fork in the way all the fat is gonna go down. We switch on the fire, let's say medium-high, guys, and we put our sausages. In the meantime, we prepare our beans. I have these small red onions. I really like the juice inside. It's really sweet. I really love this type of onions. Once you clean your small onion, or even you can use a big onion, you can use also the white one. Once we chop our onion, we add some olive oil, and we switch on the fire, medium fire. In the meantime, we check our sausages. Very, very nice. They're really taking a really nice long color, guys. Our onion now is very, very nice. Time to add our beans. And we cook for 5 minutes. High fire. These are canned beans, so they're already cooked. 5 minutes and our beans are ready. We can switch off the fire. Next to the sausages, guys, we can start to roast our really nice slice of bacon. This is how to perfectly roast bacon. This is super easy, 10 minutes. Our bacon is ready, our sausage is ready. We take it out from the fire and we let it rest for 1 minute on the paper. In the way we're gonna dry all the fat. Alright, guys, we can start to prepare our plate. The 2 sausages and then our bacon next on the opposite side. How to perfectly toast the bread? I'll show you many times. We take butter, you see, and we put on our pan and we make it melt. Alright, once it's melted, it's time to add our bread. And we turn in the way it will take all the fat of the butter. We like golden and roast 2 minutes here and it's done. In the meantime, our bread is finishing to roast. We cut 2 slices of this really nice fresh tomato. Half a finger thick. Alright, look at this, just perfect. And we put on 1 part of the plate. So, in the same pan, easy peasy, we add the ingredients of olive oil and we spread on all our pan in the way our egg is not gonna stick on it. Then, some salt, guys. Usually when I do the English breakfast, I like my eggs sunny side. Means occhio di bue, we call in Italy. Eye of a cow. You ever see an eye of a cow? It's like this. Here we are. And we put in our plate. Last thing, we need to roast our tomato. Some salt. Olive oil. And here we are. Our tomato is perfectly roasted. Let's plate it. It's time to add our super delicious beans. Some black pepper. 1 last drop of olive oil. And look at this. Guys, you cannot imagine how happy I am now. This is one of my favorite meals ever. Homemade Italian sausages. Beans with onion, sunny side egg, bacon, toasted bread, fresh cherry tomato roasted. What do you want more? Nothing. I also have my super healthy juice. Check the recipe, huh? Let's try beans and sausages. Perfect combination, guys. Mamma mia! The sweetness of these beans with the onion plus the really strong taste of these homemade sausages is just amazing. Now, it's time to do some bacon. With of course some egg. Look at this, guys. This is one of the best wedding in the history of the cuisine in the world. Baker plus egg. Mamma mia, amazing! I love it. So you see, few steps, super easy. Follow this recipe, make it at home, and you're gonna love it. Thank you very much for following me, and of course, always here with me in my kitchen, in my home. Next time, next recipe. See you then. Bye bye.